I understand. You hold that Bitcoin Cash and not sure what's about to come. Listen, first thing first, 21 moving average, simplest as the simplest can be. This white line is the one you should respect. Firstly, currently this line is standing at $129 and the price of Bitcoin Cash at the recording of this video is 118. Ladies and gentlemen, we are below it, and this is, in the shortest possible words, very bad. Look at this beautiful point of resistance. Here we broke it and surged to the upside. Next time we break it to the upside in the future, you can expect something like this also. It was holding us for some time. Here you can see the supports and here too, but on 15th of August it broke to the downside. And yes, now is the time to pay attention. After we broke to the downside, lived a few weeks, it made us a significant resistance, so you should expect in the future not to be able to cross it just like that. Until we climb above this 21 moving average, there is no possible bullish scenario. But I got much more to show you, so be here after the roar. You're still here. Excellent. Look at this. Very steep and progressive upside. Frankly, this was unsustainable how quickly Bitcoin Cash surged to the upside. Here we broke that upside and are now living in a pretty clear downside trajectory. We were resisted many times by this down-sloping trend line. Here many times. Here pretty clear one. And one more time or a few more times. When we come to this trend line, expect a harder pullback. Maybe one time will be enough. And this is the scenario you are waiting for. But if you think this path is not possible, then you're not making clear and distinct decisions. Without a doubt, my narrative currently on Bitcoin Cash is bearish. And without any exaggeration, this line of $114, just a little bit low of today's price, and you see that after we broke it here, we had many touches. It is the most important line. If anything, you should remember exactly this one. And this is the bad stuff. In the short term on the daily chart, Bitcoin Cash could be forming this descending triangle that is making lower highs into one line of support. By the probability, those things at some point end like this. Not very pretty. So absolutely there is a high chance of Bitcoin Cash breaking that magical trend line of $114. So on the downside, I want you to remember this one as our first target. To the upside, I don't want to discuss it, because still we are not having that upside potential to discuss higher prices. 140, the first one, or let's say it, the zone between 112 and 114, a very important line of support. I even make this line red to ingrain it in your mind. If we break it, expect levels below $100. Once again, you will see, for example, $98, very probable. And here we can spend some time in this rectangle if the market gets super bearish, even breaking that one. But that is not the real topic of this video. For now, in the short term, expect lower prices. Oh yeah, and big warning before you leave. Quick quiz, how would you call this pattern? Yep, a possible head and shoulders. And we all know how those patterns played out. The arrow is showing you the hint. For now, stay cautious and above all, informative. Click here, watch this video. More information, better decisions you will make. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in that one.